Now let us continue with similar triangles, tough problems. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. ABC. DE is parallel to BC, and DE is to BC is equal to 3 is to 5. DE is to BC. DE is to BC is equal to 3 is to 5. They only give DE is to BC. Calculate the ratio of areas of triangle ADE. Ratio of the areas of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle. Ratio of areas of triangle ADE and trapezium BCAD. Area of trapezium BCDE. So here only one condition they give, this side is equal to this, DE is parallel to BC. That's it. And they have given this one. Since DE is parallel to BC, D is parallel to BC, angle D is equal to angle B. They are corresponding angles. Angle D is equal to angle B, and angle E is equal to angle C. They are corresponding angles. Why? Because one angle is lying interior, one angle is lying interior, one angle is lying exterior. They are on the same side of the transverse. So therefore, angle this and this, and angle A is equal to angle A. Common for these two, for this small triangle, for this big triangle. ADE and this is ABC. This is small triangle I drew here. Therefore, see that the letters should coincide. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ADE. Letter A is coinciding with A. D should coincide with, see here, D should coincide with B. Next, E is coinciding with C. ABC. Therefore, two triangles by angle. Triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, ratio of the area of triangle ADE is equal to ratio of areas of two similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC is equal to ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Already they have given DE. Ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides means DE by BC is equal to 3 DE square by BC square actually. This is nothing but 3 by 25. Now, area of triangle ADR by, in place of how will you get area of triangle ABC? By adding this area plus this area. So area of triangle ADE plus area of triangle BCDE. I am saying that ABC area, this ABC area will this plus this one is equal to 9 by 25. So now this is what is asking, area of triangle AB by base trapezium. So let area of triangle ADE is equal to some x, area of trapezium BCDE is equal to some y. So in place of this, to avoid confusion, I am writing like this. So in place of ADE, I can write it as x by, in place of ADE, x plus y is equal to 9 by 25. Just reverse this one. X plus y by x is equal to 25 by 9. Now, this can be written as x by x plus y by x is equal to 25 by 9. Right? So, x by x is nothing but 1. Right? What is asking? Area of trapezium BCD. Y, we are calculating what is the value of y. X by x cancel, 1 plus y by x is equal to 25 by 9. Right? y by x is equal to 25 by 9 minus 1. Y by x is equal to 16 by 9. So y is equal to 16 by 9 into y is equal to 16 by 9 into x, right? Therefore, what you can write? Y trapezium value is, you replace here, trapezium value is equal to area of triangle ADE. Here y indicates area of trapezium BCDY, ADE indicates x. So this one, area of triangle ADE. So write like this. Now again here x is nothing but this one, y is nothing but this one. Now let's reverse it now. X by y is equal to 16 by 9. What is x? Area of triangle ADE. By what is y? Y is nothing but, we took this one now. Area of trapezium BCDE is equal to 16 by 9. What I did is, to avoid confusion, I have written x and y, where x is nothing but ADE and y is nothing but trapezium BCDE. So this one, this area of triangle ABC I will get by adding this plus this. This I took this whole area as x, this one, and I calculated this. Therefore, hence I arrived to the conclusion. Next. So it is important, children, please make a note of it. Actually, these are all the tough problems, mixed type, numerical type, all problems I am doing, and it is kind of revision only. Prove that the straight line joining the midpoints of any two sides triangle is parallel to the third side and also half of the third side. But this you have to use by basic proportionality theorem, and you have to do it. Some similar triangle concept you have to apply and you have to do it. Prove that the straight line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle A, B, C, the straight line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle P, Q. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and also half of the third side. So since P is a midpoint, Q is a midpoint. Since P is the midpoint, what can you say that ratio? AP by BP is equal to 1. Since Q is the midpoint, AQ by QC is equal to what? 1. Therefore, take this one, AP by BP is equal to AQ by QC. AP by BP is equal to AQ by QC, because RHS are same, therefore LHS are same. By converse of BPT, see here, this straight line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Therefore, PQ is parallel to BC, right? If straight line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then that straight line is parallel to the third side. Therefore, PQ straight line is parallel and also half of third side. Now, how to prove that one? PQ is equal to half of BC. Now again, this side, these two are parallel. What can you say about these angles? They are corresponding angles. This angle is equal to this angle is equal to this. They are corresponding angles. Right, in similar form, angle B is equal to angle B, angle Q is equal to angle C, angle A is equal to angle A. Why these two are? Why you are written like this? They are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. I'm not finding time, that's why I'm writing little bit fast. So please make a note of it. Therefore, triangles are this angle is triangle. Why you have written this angle is, but this means this straight line L is parallel to BC. Therefore, corresponding angles, right? So corresponding angles are equal and angle A. Therefore, triangle APQ is similar to triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC. See, the letters should coincide. A, P, the letter P is coinciding with D, then Q is coinciding with C. Therefore, take the ratio of the corresponding parts, by which property this triangle angle similarity. Therefore, AP by AB is equal to AP by AB is equal to PQ by BC is equal to AQ by AC. So now AP length, how will you get? AP length is nothing but half of AP. This one is AB is equal to PQ by BC. AB cancel. Next, PQ. I am saying that AP length, how will you get? AP length is half of A because P is the midpoint. AB cancel. PQ by BC. So PQ by BC, cross multiplication, PQ is equal to half of BC. PQ is equal to half of BC. Therefore, it is proved. So in exam they may ask like this also. Next one. The diagonal BD of paragram ABCD intersect the segment at the point F where E is any point on the side of BC. Prove that. Yes, I will do. The diagonal BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersects the segment at the point F where E is any point on the side BC, where E is any on the side BC. Prove that DF into, I will draw the diagram, then you will understand clearly. The diagonal BD, the diagonal ABCD, the diagonal BD, the diagonal BD of paragraph intersect the segment at the point F. The diagonal BD of a parallelogram intersect the segment at the point F where E is any point on the side BC. So there, I think they have given the figure. So you need to find out, prove that DF into FE is equal to AF into FB. So here, very simple question. DF into EF. So that means DF into EF is equal to AF into FB. So it is simple. So this angle, this is parallel to this one, and therefore this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because alternate angles, no? Like this, alternate angles. Why this angle is equal to this angle? You know very well. Now look at this here. because these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. This is the transversal. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle, and this becomes the transversal. Now write down. Therefore, angle ADF, angle ADF is equal to this angle F is equal to angle FBE. FBE. Consider triangle ADB and this is ADF. Consider triangle ADF and this one BEF. So this you write as this. Next, angle DFA is equal to angle EFB. Vertically opposite angles. Next, angle DAF is equal to this angle is equal to angle FEB. Why? Because alternate angle. This one alternate angles. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle FDA is similar to triangle F. F should coincide D letter should coincide with X. FBE. You could take the ratio of concords. FBE by angle similarity. Therefore, DF by first two letters, last two letters. DF by BF is equal to first and last. AF by EF is equal to last two letters. AD by BE. Now what is asking? DF into EF. DF into EF. This one. Just multiply. DF into EF is equal to BF into AF. BF into AF. Just you take this and cross multiply, hence it is proved. Next one. I think we will continue in the next class. So, thank you students. Have a nice day. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.